Diwali, the festival of lights, is a time of celebration for millions around the world. Families and friends gather, light lamps called diyas, and share sweets and stories. Diwali is a celebration of good over evil, a reminder that light always triumphs over darkness. Diwali's journey to Canada began with immigrants from India. As more South Asians arrived, Diwali grew from small home gatherings to larger community events. Temples and gurdwaras became central to the festivities, marking Diwali's integration into the Canadian landscape. In the early days of Indian immigration to Canada, Diwali celebrations were intimate affairs. Families recreated the magic of Diwali in their homes, preparing traditional sweets and lighting diyas. Stories of Ramayana were recounted, connecting them to their cultural roots. Despite the challenges of adapting to a new country, the spirit of Diwali remained undimmed. These early celebrations were a testament to their resilience and a way to stay connected to their heritage. They held on to their traditions, finding comfort and hope in the familiar rituals of Diwali. For the children of early immigrants, Diwali was a bridge between two worlds. They embraced Diwali with a unique perspective, incorporating elements of Canadian culture into their celebrations. Diwali became an opportunity for cultural exchange, inviting friends to share in the festivities. These children became torchbearers of their cultural heritage, organizing Diwali events and sharing traditions. Their efforts helped introduce Diwali to a wider audience, making it a more recognized festival in Canada. As the South Asian community in Canada grew, so did Diwali celebrations. What began as intimate gatherings expanded into community events at temples and gurdwaras. These gatherings provided a platform for people to connect, celebrate their heritage, and support each other. They marked the beginning of Diwali's journey from a private celebration to a public multicultural festival in Canada. Diwali celebrations began to spill into public spaces, illuminating city parks with twinkling lights. These public celebrations showcased the growing acceptance of South Asian culture in Canada. Local businesses participated, recognizing the cultural and economic significance of Diwali. The move to public spaces signaled a shift to a celebration that invited participation from all Canadians.
North and South medley. By the United States Marine.
As Diwali gained mainstream attention, efforts were made to present the festival in its full complexity. Organizers showcased diverse cultural traditions, from classical dance forms to regional delicacies. Workshops on Rangoli art, henna application, and Indian classical music provided hands-on cultural immersion. This effort fostered a deeper understanding and appreciation of Diwali's cultural significance. The growing popularity of Diwali caught the attention of Canadian media. Newspapers and TV channels featured Diwali celebrations, highlighting the festival's message of hope and light. Politicians attended Diwali events, issuing official greetings and connecting with constituents. Media coverage promoted intercultural dialogue, showcasing the contributions of the South Asian community to Canadian society. The children of South Asian immigrants brought unique perspectives to Diwali celebrations. Diwali parties featured a blend of traditional and contemporary elements reflecting their hybrid identities. Social media platforms became avenues for sharing Diwali experiences, connecting with others across the country. This new generation embraced their heritage while adapting it to their contemporary lives, creating a unique expression of Diwali. Today, Diwali's presence in Canada is undeniable, with cities coming alive with the spirit of the festival. Public spaces transform into vibrant celebrations of light, color, and culture. Large-scale Diwali celebrations, like Vancouver's Diwali Fest, draw thousands with dazzling displays. These public displays are powerful symbols of inclusivity, demonstrating Canada's embrace of diversity. Diwali's growing popularity has led to its commercialization, reflecting its integration into the Canadian mainstream. Supermarkets feature aisles dedicated to Diwali treats and ingredients, making the festival accessible to all. Fashion and home decor stores showcase Diwali-inspired collections, celebrating the festival's reach. This commercial embrace of Diwali is a testament to its resonance with a diverse population. In the age of social media, Diwali celebrations are shared instantly with the world. Hashtags like #HappyDiwali flood platforms, creating a global tapestry of celebrations. Social media influencers showcase the beauty and inclusivity of Diwali, fostering understanding and appreciation. Digital Diwali connects the South Asian diaspora, transcending borders and illuminating the interconnected world we live in. Diwali in the Hindu home. Diwali lights up Canadian cities, but its heart beats strongest in Hindu homes. As the sun dips, the magic of Diwali unfolds. Homes, meticulously cleaned and decorated, are filled with anticipation. The air is thick with incense and ghee lamps. Every corner, from doorways to rangoli, tells a story. Each diya represents light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance. Families come together to seek Lakshmi's blessings. Elders lead prayers, creating reverence and devotion. Offerings symbolize gratitude for blessings. Diyas cast dancing shadows, creating an ethereal ambience. For children, Diwali is pure magic. New clothes, fireworks, and sweets create lasting memories. Faith comes alive. Stories are passed down, and family bonds are strengthened. For Sikhs in Canada, Diwali is celebrated as Bandi Chor Divas, the Day of Liberation. It commemorates the release of Guru Hargobind Ji in 1619. Gurdwaras are illuminated with thousands of lights, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. The Nagar Kirtan, a joyous procession, is led by the Panj Pyare. Sikhs of all ages participate, singing hymns and playing traditional instruments. Bandi Chor Divas is a time to reflect on freedom and justice. For Jains, Diwali holds a special significance as the day their revered teacher, Lord Mahavira, achieved moksha, or liberation from the cycle of birth and death. This spiritual enlightenment is celebrated with a deep sense of reverence and introspection. It's a time for Jains to reflect on their own spiritual journeys and to strive for self-improvement. While the outward celebrations might be subdued compared to other faiths, the inner light of knowledge and self-discovery burns brightly. Jain temples are adorned with lights, symbolizing the illumination of knowledge that leads to liberation. Devotees engage in acts of charity and compassion, sharing their blessings with those in need. Diwali for Jains is a time for spiritual renewal. It's a reminder of the importance of non-violence, truthfulness, and self-control in their daily lives. It's a celebration of the victory of the soul over its limitations, a triumph that illuminates the path to inner peace and liberation. Despite the different narratives and religious interpretations, Diwali in Canada transcends its diverse origins to become a unifying force. It's a celebration of shared values that resonate with Canadians from all walks of life: the triumph of good over evil, the importance of knowledge and enlightenment, and the power of community and togetherness. Whether it's a Hindu family seeking Lakshmi's blessings, a Sikh community celebrating the spirit of Bandi Chor Divas, or a Jain family reflecting on the liberation, Diwali's message of hope and renewal speaks to everyone. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we are united by our common humanity and our shared desire for a brighter future. In a world often divided by differences, Diwali stands as a beacon of unity, reminding us of the power of light to dispel darkness, both literally and metaphorically. It's a celebration that brings people together, fostering understanding, respect, and a sense of shared belonging. And in doing so, it makes Canada a more vibrant, inclusive, and illuminated nation. Canada prides itself on its multiculturalism, but, Diwali pushes beyond simply coexisting. It actively fosters connections between communities. It's not just about accepting differences, it's about celebrating them. It's about recognizing the richness that diversity brings to the Canadian fabric. Diwali has become a platform for cultural exchange, where Canadians from all backgrounds can come together, share their traditions, and learn from one another. In schools, Diwali celebrations often involve students sharing their cultural heritage, teaching their classmates about the story of Diwali, demonstrating traditional dances, or even preparing Diwali snacks. Workplaces, too, are embracing the spirit of Diwali. It's not uncommon to see offices adorned with Diwali decorations, colleagues exchanging sweets, or even enjoying a Diwali potluck lunch. These gestures, however small, go a long way in creating a sense of inclusivity and fostering a deeper understanding between colleagues from different backgrounds. Diwali's message of unity and togetherness resonates deeply in a country as diverse as Canada. It serves as a reminder that our shared humanity transcends our cultural differences. It's a celebration of the beauty of our differences and the strength we derive from embracing them. Breaking down barriers, Diwali's role in interfaith dialogue. Diwali also plays a significant role in promoting interfaith dialogue and understanding in Canada. As a festival celebrated by multiple faiths, it provides a natural platform for people of different religious backgrounds to come together, share their beliefs, and find common ground. Many interfaith events are organized around Diwali, where religious leaders from various communities come together to share their perspectives on the festival's significance. These events often involve discussions on the shared values of different faiths, highlighting the commonalities that bind us together, despite our different beliefs. These interfaith dialogues are crucial in breaking down stereotypes and fostering greater religious tolerance and understanding. They provide a safe space for open and honest conversations about faith, dispelling misconceptions and building bridges of communication between communities in a world where religious intolerance and conflict are, sadly, still prevalent. Diwali's message of unity and understanding is more important than ever. It serves as a reminder that despite our differences in faith, we are all part of one human family, striving for peace, love, and harmony. A shared future, lit by Diwali, passing the flame to future generations. Diwali promotes unity and inclusivity in Canada's diverse society. It's a tradition passed to new generations, blending heritage and Canadian identity. For young South Asian Canadians, Diwali connects them to their roots. They share these traditions with friends and classmates. Diwali's significance extends beyond the South Asian community. It's embraced by Canadians of all backgrounds, fostering community and belonging. Diwali is a celebration of hope, illuminating a brighter, inclusive Canada. A tapestry of light and unity, as the last firework fades from the night sky and the glow of a million diyas softens, we're left with the lingering warmth of Diwali. More than just a festival, it's a testament to the Canadian spirit, a spirit of openness, acceptance, and a celebration of the tapestry woven from countless cultural threads. Diwali reminds us that our differences, far from dividing us, are what make us strong. It's in the sharing of stories, the exchanging of sweets, and the coming together in celebration that we truly understand the depth and beauty of our shared humanity. From the smallest diya lit in a family home to the grandest public displays of light, Diwali illuminates a path forward. It's a path where ancient traditions are honored, new ones are forged, and the spirit of community burns bright. This is Diwali in Canada, a testament to the power of light to chase away darkness both literally and metaphorically. It's a reminder that by embracing our differences and celebrating our shared values, we illuminate a brighter future for all Canadians. Diwali's enduring legacy, a brighter future for Canada. Diwali's journey in Canada is a story still being written. With each passing year, the festival's reach extends further, its message of unity resonates more deeply, and its impact on the Canadian identity becomes more profound. As new generations of Canadians grow up with Diwali as part of their lives, they become the torchbearers of its message. They carry forward the values of inclusivity, understanding, and the celebration of diversity. Diwali's enduring legacy in Canada is one of hope. It's a hope rooted in the belief that by embracing our differences, by sharing our traditions, and by standing together in the face of adversity, we can build a brighter future for all. So as the echoes of Diwali celebrations fade, let us carry the light of its message within us. Let us continue to build bridges of understanding, to celebrate our diversity, and to illuminate the path towards a more inclusive and united Canada. For in the end, the light of Diwali reminds us that we are all connected, and that our shared humanity is the most brilliant light of all.